Hey Akshit, what are you doing?
Hey Mayank, I'm playing with my toys. Come join me.
Wow, this teddy bear is so cute. Whose is it?
Oh, that's Janvi's teddy bear.
Janvi's teddy. But why did you add an apostrophe and S at the end of Janvi?
Well, my dad taught me that when something belongs to someone, we usually add apostrophe and S to show possession or belongingness.
Oh, I see. So, is it like when we say the girl's dress, we mean the dress belongs to the girl, right?
Exactly. It works the same way for plural nouns too.
Tell me more about plural nouns.
Sure, let me give you some examples. When we talk about the books belonging to girls, we say the girls' books.
Oh, I get it. So, it's girls with an apostrophe after the S to show possession.
Exactly! It works the same way for other plural nouns, like the carpenter's tools.
So, it's carpenters with an apostrophe after the S to show that the tools belong to them.
Yes, and for names that don't end in S but are still plural, like children, we say the children's mother to mean the mother belonging to them.
Got it. So it's children's with an apostrophe and S to show possession.
That's right. You're grasping the concept.
Thanks for explaining, Akshit. Now I can use possessive form with plural nouns too.
It's my pleasure to explain you, Mayank. Learning together is always fun.